Hey, what's going on, guys? Outdoors with Kevin. Outdoors. If you want to take your camping game to the next level and not break the bank, if you want to be the guy, lights up the camp, this is the product for you. So this is by Mountain River. You can see that logo right there. And this is their new quad pod. Do they call this a tripod with 4 legs, a quad pod? So a 4-leg deal, and it is retractable. So pull the tab, drops right down, has a nice little strap. This is Mountain River on it. Comes in a really nice bag right here. It says Mountain River Camp Light. Actually a nice bag. It's a ripstop nylon bag, and it has padding. So it's got a little bit of padding kind of all around because this thing's a big heavy metal thing. So this weighs about 5.5 pounds. So this is definitely an overlanding type product or a car camping type product. Here's the cool part about this thing. It's got a 20,000 milliamp battery integrated into this thing. I bought a 20,000 milliamp Anchor brand, and I want to say I paid close to about $100 for it. It's fabulous. I love it. This thing will do the same. It's got a Type-C plug-in, so I can plug in a phone. I can use solar power to charge this thing, and it's crazy wicked bright, and it lasts a really long time. Set it on the ground. It's got really nice sturdy legs, real heavy duty. So it's got simple operation. One button, I just push the button, hold it, and it kicks right on. So you guys can see it's on right now. And obviously it's daytime, so it's kind of hard to see the lights, but it's got 4 lights, and that's your battery indicator. So when you're charging it, here's the USB. It's a little rubberized protector right there. Charge USB. And then it's telescopic. So it is the perfect height for camping because it's at about, what is this, about 4 feet tall, 4.5 feet tall. So you can put it on the picnic table, which I like to do. It's lightweight enough where I can just move it around. But the crazy thing is that it's so heavy duty. It's 5.5 pounds. It's really stout. So kicking it, bumping it, it's not moving. It's not going anywhere. So really, really awesome product. I wanted to test this thing out when I first got it. I wanted to make sure the battery was good and the light's good and everything like that. I let it run for 7 continuous hours. And almost on the dot at 7 hours, it died at full power. It goes to show that when they said, hey, it goes 7 hours, it really does go 7 hours. I also love the fact that you can have it charging and have it lit up at the same time. If you had this plugged in to another battery bank, plugged into a vehicle, plugged in at your house, whatever, it still works as a light while I'm charging it. So I can charge it and have the light on at the same time, which is a nice feature. So there's also 3 modes as far as brightness goes. You've got the high mode, which will last for about 7 hours. The medium mode will go for about 11 hours. The low mode will go for 21 hours. If you're somebody who's living in Alaska where it's dark 21 hours a day, this might be the light for you. Or if you just want this thing to last the entire weekend without worrying about charging it. Another really nice feature is it has this heat dissipation at the top here, if you guys can see that. So it helps so it doesn't get too hot and just shut off. It's also IP44 waterproof. So leaving this thing out in the rain is not going to be a problem. Now, so you don't want this whole thing submerged, but rain coming down is not going to be a problem with this thing. As far as using this inside a tent, awesome. You don't have to worry about those old lanterns. So I grew up with an old Coleman lantern with fuel that's flammable. You got to get a lighter and light that thing. A lot of process and work to use those old school lighters or old school lanterns. But with this, oh my gosh, bring it into your tent. Perfection. You could leave it in the tent all night long. You could literally use this as a night light for your kids. I remember my kids when they were young would like, Dad, we want flashlights, we want a lantern. So you can put it on the low setting and let it run literally all night long. And if your kids are old enough to have their own tent, this thing is sturdy enough where I'm not worried about them gonna damage it or break it. It's just a big burly heavy duty light. So the ease of operation and usage, you hold the button down, one long hold, to turn it on, one long hold to turn it off. So press it and hold 1001, 1002. So about 2-second hold, it turns on. So it comes on in its high setting. I press the button one time, it goes to medium. I press it again and it goes to the low setting. I press it again and it goes off. Or I can just hold down from any one of those spots for 2 seconds and it turns off. Like I said, USB Type-C. Okay, so I got my USB cable and we got our iPhone right here. So pull the little waterproof tab, pull it back, put in my cable, plug it in, and we are charging. I could just set this on the picnic table, leave my phone right there with it, and also I can run it as the lantern while I'm charging. Sometimes you plug your iPhone into some type of charger and it says slow charging. I have a couple around the house. You have so many chargers around the house that it says slow charging. This one doesn't say slow charging. It says it's charged at 68%, and then it says 19 minutes to 80%. So 19 minutes. So that's pretty nice. Fast charging. If you had different devices, your laptops, phones, your cameras, things like that when you're camping. Now, who is this not for? This is not for backpackers, ultralight people. It's not for backpacking. So this is overlanding and car and truck camping perfection. This is one of those things that you're like, why didn't I have this thing before? Mountain River is a quality product. I'm sitting in one of their chairs right now. 2 thumbs up. I love it. It's my favorite chair. This is really, really good. Also, this is a great emergency tool. If you live in an area where the power goes out often, this might be a tool for you because it lasts 21 hours. You can also charge your devices with it, right? How great is that? And it lights up the whole room. It's really, really bright. You gotta love that. Also, for you guys that are doing overlanding, if you're trying to air up your tires, you're trying to change a tire, you're trying to work on your vehicle, it's dark, you're at camp, you're on a trail, you're on the road, great for signaling. It has a really nice big throw. Also, the form factor is small. It's not taking up a lot of space like a big Coleman lantern that you need a case for because you don't want to break the lens. So we'll turn this off, and just to show you how fast it is to put this thing away, it has that simple pull tab on the bottom, and all I do is turn it upside down, pull the tab, and it drops. Grab my strap, secure it. Got my nice little padded stuff sack. The stuff sack is pretty nice. It sits right in there easily. And here we go. So if you wanted to throw a carabiner on this and clip it into to other gear so it's not rolling around in your vehicle, the nice thing is it's kind of square-like. So it has a square, so it's not round to roll, so it will lay flat, which is a nice feature. Plus it's got a hard padded bottom, so it's all protected, but real rugged case, and you'll be really happy with this. First impression was, oh my gosh, this is so beefy and strong and heavy duty. I love that. I was checking Amazon actually to get one of these lights, and it wasn't until after I got the chair that I realized with how sturdy the base is on the legs of this chair, I'm like, oh man, that makes total sense. A lot of those lights are really cheap and plastic feeling, where this one is more of a luxury feeling and high quality feeling product. So once you open the box, you're like, oh, okay, yeah, this is a beast right here. So Mountain River, shout out to you guys. You guys are awesome, making really good stuff. I can't wait to see what you guys put out next. Thanks for sticking by the channel. I'll throw a link in the description if you're interested in checking this thing out. Don't forget to like and share, hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up. It lets the algorithm know that you like the video and it'll get it out to more people. And the more people that see it gives us more opportunities to put more videos together for you guys, get cool gear, those kind of things. So thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna drink my coffee, enjoy the sunshine, because here in the Pacific Northwest, I don't always get it. So we'll talk to you next time. See you guys.